As we're heading into the last week of August, let's quickly check on EU what to expect in the coming week. So if you look at the daily time frame, the swing structure is bearish and we had a pullback into the PQ of this leg over here. So we can expect that the pullback of this bearish leg has been completed and now we should be looking for shorts. To continue this bearish momentum, price needs to push to the downside from here. Now we can still expect price coming into this daily supply, and from there we can see price coming to the downside because this is the last remaining supply that needs to hold to push price to the downside. So now you can already see that if you take a closer look, two daily candles have got a lot of rejection from this area. So price is struggling to push to the upside. So this could also be a sign that the pullback could be starting anytime soon now. So what I'm expecting from the coming week is that maybe we could see a pullback of price coming into this daily demand, and from there maybe one more push to this daily supply, or price can just continue to the downside. And let's see on the H4. So looking at the H4, swing structure is bullish, internal structure is bullish, and if we take a closer look, now we can see that price has slowed down. This huge bullish momentum is slowing down. So maybe if we get a break below this level, we can say that the pullback is starting and we can look for shorts into this daily demand over here. So if this daily demand is holding, we can expect another price pushing to the upside into this daily supply, and then we can see price rolling over to take out this low over here. So either from here itself price can just push to the downside, or we can have one more push to the upside and then continue to the downside. So this is what I'm thinking on EU going into this week. I feel like we could be having a pullback, and if the pullback doesn't start, we can have one more push into this daily supply, and from here we can confidently expect that price would be pushing to the downside. So looking at the 1 hour also, so we're looking at the recent price action, you can see that this demand failed to push price to the upside, came back down again, swept these lows. So we are right now over here. So we can see price is in the sideways price action. So right now what I'm thinking, maybe if there is one more push to the upside, from here itself price could just push to the upside, mitigate this daily supply, and then we can start with the pullback. So on the H1, this is what I'm thinking. So as we're heading into this week, what I'm thinking is maybe the bullish momentum is coming to an end and we can expect a pullback in the coming week. So on EU, this is what I'm thinking going into this week.